Hello everyone, this is Mr. Uber and today I came to you with the new class, especially for the students who want to develop their career in the field of computer-aided design. In this classes we will learn new techniques. In these techniques, especially for those whoever is working as a pattern developer, sample developer and the CAD designers. During the time of designing, if your software is not working properly and if the user interface is hanging out and any types of unseen problems is appearing into the computer, so for the solution of that problems, and I will tell you about the reinstallation process of the softwares and the uninstallation process of the software also. So let's start. First of all, you will have to go to your control panel. If the control panel icons is available into the screen of your system, then you will left click over there and open the control panel. And another method is you have to go to the search bar and you have to put the name as a control panel. So like this you will see the control panel will appear, and then left click over there and you go to the category view by category, and then you have to go to the program file and uninstall program. Left click over there, and then you have to go to the whatever softwares you are having the problem with that, you have to left click over there and then right click, and uninstalling option will appear, and then left click over there. The new dialog box will appear and they will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So yeah, we want to uninstall this software, and then the uninstallation process will start. Now you have to minimize it. The new panels will appear and they will ask you modify, repair, reinstall or program features or remove. So if you want to remove your software permanently, then you will go to the remove icon, uninstall. If you want to uninstall, then you will go to the next option and then OK. Now the uninstallation process has started and then it will take some time, so you have to wait for that. Now you can see that the uninstallation has completed. Now you will have to left click over the finish button and then refresh. Now you will see that your software has completely uninstalled. So like this method you can uninstall any softwares regarding you have any problems or unnecessary softwares can also you can remove by this process. Now let me tell you about the installation process of the any softwares. If you have any zip file, means compressed files, so first of all like this you will see this is the compressed file of the software. So for this purpose you cannot install directly this software. First of all you have to decompress it, and then only you will be able to install that software. So for the decompression process we have to left click over there and again right click, and then you can see the extract file. You will left click over there and then you will go to the new folder and then OK, because we have already decompressed the file, so we don't have a need to decompress it, so we are cancelling. Now you can see that after the decompression process like this folders will appear in your screen, and then you will have to so like this folders will appear into the screen. So like this folders will appear into the screen, and then you will left click over there, and then wherever the setup file is available into the you will left click, maximize it, and then you will go to the auto mark, and you can see that the setup file is available over here. So you have to left click over there, then new panels will appear, and if you have already set username and password, so you have to enter it. If you have not set it, this dialog box will ask you, do you want to allow this app for an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? So for that you will tell, yeah, we want to install this software in our system. And then you have to go to the install icon, click over there. So like this, you will see that the installation process has started. So it will take some time. You have to wait for that. So installation of Microsoft Visual CC 2013 redistributable package appears to have, yeah, we want. So we have to do OK. And again we have to go to the next operations. Click over here, and you have to be the agree of their term and conditions. So you have to go to the yes, next. Again, wherever you want, save, install your C drive, and then next, and then again next, and then further process of reinstallation or installation of the softwares has started. It will take some time, so we have to wait for the time. And then, yeah, you have to press the OK button, and then you will have to finish it. After that, you will see that your setup has been completed. After that, you will see that the setup installation of your software has completed. If you want to recheck it whether it has been installed properly or not, so you will go to any of the subdivision of softwares, that click over there, and then you can see that it will start. If the software has opened properly, then you can analyze that the software has successfully installed into the software. So your software has successfully installed into your system. Now we have to restart your system. After the installation process has completed, you have to restart it. After that, you have to again start and then work on it. Otherwise, maybe some other problems may appear. So after installation in softwares, I will suggest you to restart it again. I hope that this class will be useful for you. Thank you very much for this. I will come in the next class for the new techniques and learning things.